Now let's go to the next verb, himo, meaning make. Himo means make or create. Okay, himo, make or create. Past tense, naghimo, made. So I use naghimo here because it is uncommon for us to use nihimo in the regular conversation. So just remember that when you use nag, there should be a time marker, like in this example. Naghimo og cake si mama gabii. So our time marker here is gabii. Okay? So naghimo og cake si mama gabii. Mama made a cake last night. Naghimo means made. Okay? Og is the object marker, and then our object is cake. So look at the spelling of the cake. Sometimes in the regular writing or conversation, we don't use this spelling K-E-Y-K. We just use the spelling, the English spelling cake. Okay. So naghimo og cake si mama. Si is the subject marker. So if there is a common name or specific name, we must add si, the subject marker si. Si mama gabii last night. Okay. Gabii is our time marker. It means last night. Now let's go to the present tense. Naghimo ko sa among project. Naghimo ko sa among project. I'm making our project. Naghimo, making. Ko is I, and then what are you making? Sa among project. So, among is a possessive pronoun, our. Okay, it means our. And then project is very obvious. It's we're using the English term here. So, naghimo ko sa among project. I'm making our project. Future tense, maghimo or mohimo, will make. Maghimo ko og snowman. Maghimo ko og snowman. I will make a snowman. Maghimo will make. Ko is I, og is object marker, okay? So again, og can be a or an in the English language, and then snowman is the English term. So if you are going to ask which one should I use, maghimo or mohimo? So when you say maghimo ko og snowman, it means that you are going to make, but there is no indication when, but for sure it is going to be in the future. Mohimo ko og snowman. If you're going to use mohimo og snowman, it is also acceptable. And in this case, it's more common for us to use mag. But if you say mohimo, if you're going to use mohimo, it is also acceptable. So either of the two. Let's have a quick review. Past tense, naghimo, made. Present, naghimo, making. Again, I use nag in the past tense just to make sure you use a time marker to indicate that it is in the past. Okay, because I use naghimo because it is uncommon for us to use the prefix ni in this verb. And lastly, future, maghimo or mohimo will